Alright, so today we are going to be installing a sub box on my 2010 Toyota Tacoma. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is open up the seats. And you're going to have to take out this plastic piece back here. I'll be doing that right now. Well, you should probably open up both the seats for you to do this, but all you have to do is remove a couple of bolts. But then there's a couple of little clasps back there that you're going to have to pop out. The bit that you're going to need is a 10 millimeter bit, and it'll fit right on all the bolts now. From over there and over here, I'll just set them in there because it seems like a good place. Back on this, pull towards you, so it pops out the little plastic clasps. And go down on the door, towards the door, and pull it again, so it'll pop out of the clasps. You're gonna have to do it on both sides though, alright? So what you're gonna have to do is pull this around the little seatbelt clasp thing and pop it out. Take some force, but we'll get it. Whoa, didn't even know if that was on there, but then we'll get somewhat opened back thing, and then you can get the other one popped out. Put along the flathead screwdriver and just stick them in between there and just pop it between the metal and the plastic and just popped it out. Now I think that we'll be able to pull this thing out. We'll see. One sec. This little clasp down here is being a pain, so I just had to like yank it really hard. It's not gonna hurt anything, I don't think, but if you just yank it really hard, it should pop out, and you just pull it right out. So, here's what it looks like once you're taking it out. You probably will not need this ever again if you're putting in a sub box. So here you go. And what I had to do was knock in. Let me get a hold of this thing. That thing right there. I'll zoom in on it, but it's right there. And the thing that has duct tape on it, I knocked that off right there too. But you should just hammer them down so that this thing will fit in. That's the way that you'll have to fit it. It should fit really snug in there. It should look nice. But we're just gonna screw it down to this, and like so it'll just look nicer, and it'll be easier to mess with everything. So what we're doing right now is we're connecting this to the amp. We're put some wiring and we screwed it down on there. And we're gonna run it to the amp so that we don't have to jack with it whenever we're putting in the speakers. So we'll already have all this done. And we've already connected those inside of there to so we can just, when we get the speakers, we can just plug them right onto there. And since we're about to do all the wiring, we've already taken off all the plastic and over here, going all the way up to like right there. I don't think that we're gonna need to remove this one. So, and there's the ground. What we're gonna do, we're gonna run it from like the battery down through there and through there to the. That's where we're gonna go through the firewall right there. There, come out right there. Hooked it through the gasket around it. And it sort of looks like this. Goes like right above. That's how we did it, but you can hit it like anywhere in there. Alright, so we ended up running some power cable up to the radio. That's what you're gonna have to do for it to hook up and work. Right underneath the steering wheel. Ran it up through there, stuck it in there, all through there. We put on all the wiring back here. Then we put some wire loom around these wires to make them look nicer, so that they wouldn't be all like junky. So what you're gonna have to do is connect it to the. You're gonna have to connect it to the battery box. Run it through the fuse. You're gonna run it through the little firewall piece and to the thing that's right there. Wait a minute. Right there. Yeah, you're gonna see it right there. And it's down and back to the sub box. So what you're gonna want to do to put the wires on the speakers is you're gonna trim the ends off, strip them with the wire strippers, then bend them back and twist them up like so. Then you want to stick them in, strip and stick it in there. All right, I'll come back when I did that. That's what it should look like once you've done it. Just stick right out a little bit. Then what you're gonna want to do is lift it up. Make sure the wire's in there good. Set the speaker in there. Make sure you're not pushing in this, because that can mess up the speaker. What you're going to want to do is put a screw in every single hole, so it bolted in good, so that it doesn't move around and that no air escapes.
I don't want Cardi, so I'ma pour Henny on ice. My